Okay guys, here's the operation controls of the Carrier unit. First off, we have our power button. You need to press that and turn that on. That light will come on there. We look up here, we have our start, stop, and our continuous button. This button right below is our defrost. This is if that unit cannot hold temperature. If we want to run a manual defrost cycle, we would press this button here. This is our menu button. We would cycle through the different menus such as pre-trip inspection, things like that. Over here, these are temperature control buttons, and they're also a navigation button when we're in our menus. If we want to raise our set point, which is right there, we would press the up button and then press the equal sign to set that. If we wanted to lower, we would press the down button and then press the equal sign to set that lower set point. This number here is our actual box temperature. So you can see we're set at 32 degrees and our box temperature is at 32.5 degrees. This light up here, this green light, is telling us that everything is good with this unit. If there was an issue, there would be an orange light up at the top there. So in conclusion, make sure your button is in on position. Your set point is set to what your bills say it needs to be set at, and this is your actual box temp. So if your bills say they need to be set at 28 degrees, we would press down until we got to 28 degrees. We'd press the equal sign. That puts us at 28 degrees. Our unit will kick on and bring us down to that temperature. If we want to change to continuous run mode, we would press our continuous run mode button up there. That switches to continuous, and now this unit runs non-stop. That's the general operation of our Carrier units. If you have any questions, reach out to your safety department or your maintenance department, and we'd be glad to help you.